All right, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to cut a potato using 5 different cutting methods. So we have, again, our station all set up. We have our chef's knife, our cutting board, our damp towel underneath to keep our cutting board secure. Again, it is right at the edge of the counter. When we grab our chef's knife, we're going to grab it. We're going to put our pointer finger on the blade and our thumb on the other side, and that is going to give us a good grip, so that way when we cut down on the potato, we can easily move our knife. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our hand and our potato, and we're going to do the claw method. So we're going to tuck our thumb in, our fingertips should be pointed backwards. We're going to grab our knife and we're going to slice straight down. That's going to give us a flat bottom, so that way our potato is stabilized for our cuts. So the first cut we're going to do is a slice. So we're going to grab the knife, 45-degree angle, and we're going to down, down, down. Those are our slices. The next one we're going to do is a dice. So we're just going to turn the potato. We're going to grab our knife again with our grip. We're going to look over the potato about a 1/2 inch size, and we're going to slice down. Move that potato out of the way. Now that we have our potato, we're going to again go in with our knife. We're going to slice down. And now we're going to make cubes. And we have our diced potatoes. And we're going to move on to a julienne. We're going to try and get about a 1/4 inch or matchstick size. So we'll look over our potato, we'll cut down, flip it on its side, and we're going to try and do about a 1/4 inch again. So again, claw hand, go down with our knife, down, down, down. There's our julienne. Now we're going to do a fine julienne. We're going to get a little bit of a thinner piece. Flip it on its side. And again, we have slightly thicker pieces here, so for a fine julienne, we just want to go a little bit thinner. Grab a knife, 45-degree angle. And there we have our fine julienne. Now for our mince, I'm just going to take a couple pieces of our julienne here. We'll gather them together. And we'll pick up our knife. We're going to grip it, 45-degree angle, claw hand, and mince. And there we have our mince. And those are the 5 knife cutting methods. So again, we have our slice, our dice, our julienne, fine julienne, and mince.